we've got the 2023 Kia Forte EX Plus. This is in perfect, obviously brand new condition. So let's take a look. All right, so this Forte, actually getting in the seat is rather comfortable. I'm just gonna make a note of that. But you do have all your voice and cruise controls all at the wheel. This also has adaptive cruise and a heated steering wheel, my favorite, as well as heated seats for you and your passenger. Now let's take a look at the infotainment system. It's a nice size screen that's in this Forte. You also get your Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course a good backup camera. A nice feature also in here is the dual climate controls for you and your passenger. And over here, you're going to see that this vehicle also comes with the lane keep assist. It's a very clean, nice interior. The seats are cloth. They do have that racing stripe, I'm gonna call it, but they are very comfortable. And there is also a sunroof in this Forte. So give us a call or come in and say hi. We would love to meet you. And don't forget, you don't have to be from Midland to become a part of the Midland Honda family. We offer complimentary delivery right to your front door.